CRCL stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday is Circle Internet Group stock combined. I'll be breaking all of it down in this brief, short 1-minute video. Especially as I'm looking at Circle Internet Group. Honestly, I'm a big fan of this because Circle went up like crazy and then went up 5% yesterday. If you've been watching any of my videos, like even with the most limited amount of data that I had, like candles right here earlier, I was looking for to buy. It was like 76 bucks at the time. I was aiming to 104. Not only did we reach 104, then this thing went up to like 300 bucks, and on the way up I got 3 wins. And then I got a break even, trying to long more when it was crashing. The only thing that's gonna make me buy here, let's be very realistic here, is if I start seeing double breaks above $160, like 160 bucks, 165 actually. If I do not see that happening, then I guess I'm not gonna be buying. And a lot of people are gonna start over exaggerating everything. I myself with CRCL, I have good amount of 38 results here as well. So yeah, that's exactly where we're sitting in. This is obviously not financial advice. If you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description and I'll keep you updated. Just waiting for rules.